welcome to my channel Electrical Master. This video we are going to discuss about how to read the motor nameplate details. If you are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, then you will never miss our updates. Let's go to the video. Normally induction motor there are 19 factors we need to check in the nameplate details. The first thing is voltage of the motor, then second is frequency of the motor, either it's 50 Hz or 60 Hz you need to check, then phase, 3 phase or single phase of the motor, and full load current of the motor you need to check. Then next is type. Type means the manufacturer is as per the construction, it's a multi-speed or polyphase, we need to check in the type, and power factor of the motor we need to check. Then kilowatt or horsepower, that is output power of the motor we need to check. Then full load speed, that is RPM of the motor we need to check. The efficiency of the motor, that is output power by input power into 100, that is efficiency of the motor we need to check. Then duty cycle. Duty cycle either it is continuous rating or intermediate purpose we need to check. Then next is insulation of the motor winding. There are two insulation class are there, one is B and F. B normally used for the up to 130 degrees Celsius, and class F insulation used for up to 155 degrees Celsius. Then maximum ambient temperature, that is normally 40 degrees Celsius for the motor normal maximum ambient temperature, it's mentioned in the nameplate details. Altitude. Altitude means that is the maximum height of the motor we can install above from the sea level. It's working with the as per the design. Next it is the enclosure. Enclosure it is giving the IP rating of the motors. Then frame, it is normally giving the weight of the motors. And bearings, there are two types of bearings are used, that is a non-driven bearing and driven bearing. It is help to support the motors soft and rotating parts. Then next it is the NEMA letter codes. NEMA letter code normally used for the locked rotor current kVA as per the HP. A to V, it is the letter code of the NEMA. Then next is a design letter, it is cover the characteristics of torque and current of the motor. It's normally in the B and D. And service factor, it is the maximum motor can operate at rated power, that is the service factor. So normally 1% service factor means 100% of rated power. Now we will see the example how they are mentioned that the nameplate details. See here the voltage it is 460 and frequency it is 60, and full load current it will be 30 amperes, 35 amperes, and HP rating it will be 30, and it is a type for the REZED, and frame size weight it is 286, and it is a 3-phase motor. Service factor it is 1.15, it means 115% of the full load power. And duty cycle it will be continuous rating, and maximum ambient temperature 40 degrees Celsius, and RPM it is 1765 speed. Installation type is of F type, and the NEMA designing code, NEMA designing letter it is B, and locked rotor kVA code it is G, and the efficiency of the motor it is 93%, and bearing end driving side is serial number, and non-driving side serial number also mentioned. See this another example, same the HP rating is 1.5, voltage they are given 230 volt for star, delta is the 460, full load current 4, RPM is 1740, and frame weight 145 ton, and 60 Hz or 50 Hz you can run, 3-phase motor, and service factor 1.15. NEMA letter code will be K, and designing letter it will be B, and class F insulation efficiency it will be 86.5, power factor 0.8, and a continuous rating maximum ambient temperature 40, and it is a continuous rating. Bearings driven and non-driven, model number also given. So this is the sample data of nameplate details. I hope you will understand the concept. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, write it in the comment box, I will give the reply. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.